Unit 1. Language Basics. Lesson 4. Clothing and Quantities. Vocabulary. Listen and repeat.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There are 2 cell phones.
There are 3 balls.
There is 1 bed.
There are 4 keys.
There is 1 cup. There are 4 chairs. There are 2 tables. There are 3 phones.
Shoes. A shirt. Pants. A coat. A dress. A skirt.
A blue shirt. A red shirt. A green t-shirt. A yellow t-shirt. Three plates are white. 4 bowls are blue.
I am buying a skirt.
I am wearing a skirt.
I am buying pants.
I am wearing pants.
Who has the hat? The woman has the hat. Who has the ball? The boy has the ball. Who has the books? The girls have the books. Who has the newspaper? The doctor has the newspaper.
Lesson 4. Clothing and Quantities. Speaking. Listen and repeat.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3. 61352. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is one bed. There are 2 cell phones. There are 4 chairs.
How many chairs are there? There are 6 chairs. How many phones are there? There are 5 phones. How many beds are there? There are 2 beds.
The man is wearing a coat. The man is buying a coat. The man is wearing a hat. The man is buying a hat.
Who is eating? The police officer is eating. Who is reading? The students are reading. Who is drinking? The women are drinking.
Who has the hat? The woman has the hat. Who has the ball? The boy has the ball. Who has the books? The girls have the books.
What is this? This is a bicycle. How many bicycles are there? There are 3 bicycles. Who has a bicycle? She has a bicycle. Does she have a bicycle? Yes. Who has a bicycle? She has a bicycle. What is this? This is a bicycle.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Lesson 4. Clothing and quantities. Pronunciation. Listen and repeat.
Shoes.
A shirt.
A skirt.
6.
A table. Tay. Bull. Table.
Paper. Pay. Per. Paper.
A coat.
A phone.
A bowl.
He is buying one hat. Buy. Ing. Buying.
I am wearing a skirt. Wear. Ing. Wearing.
There is one fish. There